The Anxiety and Depression Association of America has said that 85% of college students feel overwhelmed at some point during the year. This distress can lead to distressed and tired-looking skin. One way to help this is by practicing using face masks. Face masks are really easy to use with ingredients that may already be in your kitchen, and they usually only take about 7 steps. So in front of me, for the face mask I'm using, I have my 2 tablespoons of nutmeg. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of honey and 2 tablespoons of milk. And I'll also need something to mix all that together with, a dry towel and a wet towel. So to start, I've already got my nutmeg poured out, and I'm going to add my honey. And now I'm going to add my milk. Okay. Make sure it all gets out. And now I'm going to mix it all together using a fork, but you can really use anything. Just it doesn't really matter if there are lumps, but it's usually best to just try and get them all out, just so that the consistency looks right. This is what it'll look like, kind of liquidy. And I usually just use my fingers to put it on your skin. So you just stick your fingers in there and just start swiping it on. And try and get it all over your face. I'm gonna pause it real quick so I can get it all on. So this is what it looks like when it's all evenly spread out. And so you have to let it dry for about 15 minutes. And I'm not gonna make you guys watch it dry for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna pause it again and come back when it's time to wash it off. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. Face mask is dry, and so I'm gonna take the wet paper towel or the wet washcloth and just kind of gently just swipe it all off. Try and get all of it. And you can also just rinse it off in the shower. That's usually easiest, but I usually just use the wet washcloth. And then after that, you just take the dry washcloth and just pat dry. And then your skin should be exfoliated and hydrated and relaxed. So life can get stressful from school and just life in general, but using face masks is a really good way to use stuff that's already in your kitchen and doesn't take long, and it's a good way to just practice some self-care.